Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, oh my goodness, what a rally on Monday. You know, we left the chart out on the Emini Sunday night, and we put a nice little circle around the formation and told everybody it is very likely a swing day, short-term buy signal building Sunday night for Monday, or I should say Friday into Sunday for Monday's trading. We decided we'd start with a neutral posture, allow the markets to show us it was going to maintain that swing day posture, which it did do. It pulled back enough. We bought it, and we had a monster day here at the site, right? Nice day. We sold euro currencies, and we got them really, really well. You know, if you stayed with each trade, you took over 320 pips out of the euro currency. So, hey, we had a great day at the site. But now we got to look at what's happening here going forward. This is October 14th. It is Tuesday. Traders, swing days across the globe. Across the globe, there are swing days in many, many of the world's indices. And I'm going to show you what that means. But as a refresher course, and I've done this video before when it called for it on certain swing days in certain markets. So let's go take a look at something right here. Traders, a swing day. Let's say you have a market that's been dropping a little bit, and then it puts in a really deep down day. Then it turns around and it rallies up. If on the next day, and this is what happened on Friday, if on the next day the market opens up higher, comes down and gets sort of within Thursday's low end range, you buy it there and expect a higher rally. So again, just to show you what it would look like without all those marks on it, we will take a swing day looking like this. Down, 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 and you have a big deep down and a rally, and it settles somewhere up here. If on the next day you open and drift down and get right about to Thursday's low, Friday's the swing day, this was Thursday, here's Friday, you would buy it right about here and expect a rally. And a lot of times you get at least a 2-day rally, if not more. Now, we had a massive, massive swing day in the Dow Jones Industrials, in the S&P, in the NASDAQ, all the U.S. indice markets. But I went around the globe and I went looking at other indice markets. And you know what? There are swing days across the globe, traders. So before we discuss that any further, let's go look at some charts. I'll be right back to you. Okay, traders, what we're looking at right now is the German DAX market. It is the DAX indice. It is the daily bar. And if you take a look at this, traders, on October 10th, which was Friday, puts a swing day in. We allowed the market to open on Monday, drop down low enough for us to be sure it was a swing day, and look at the rally which has ensued. Now, that's the German DAX, right? Basically, if you're getting a swing day in many, many world indices, you probably have some sort of a short-term turnaround going on. So let's look at a few more countries and see if this is global or if it just happened in Germany and the United States. I will say this, and I'll say it 1,000 times in this video, don't fall in love with the upside, but I think you're going to get a chance to give it a little peck on the cheek this week. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's take a look at another chart here. Okay, traders, for all London fans out there, this is the FTSE. The FTSE had a swing day again, just like the DAX. The FTSE puts a swing day in on October 10th, Friday. The DAX put one in on October 10th. And then look what happened. Just like the illustration on the board, you have Friday's low. You have the swing day, I should say Thursday's low. You have the swing day on Friday. And then Monday opens up, gets right about to Thursday's low, and boom, takes off. Swing day confirmed. There you go, number 2. Number 3, really, but I only showed you 2 so far, the DAX and the FTSE, and they did exactly what a swing day would do if, in fact, it is a buy signal. Let's go take a look at a few more charts here, traders. Okay, traders, as we span the globe now, we are going over to Asia. We are looking at the Hang Seng Daily Bar, and even the Hang Seng has put in a swing day low on Friday. And look at the rally that ensued Monday and Monday night into Tuesday. It's already taking off, and it's got a gap here and the gap right there. Could be a little breakaway gap here, traders, but I like to see gaps filled in indice markets. So the likelihood is you could trade a little lower tonight and then back up if, in fact, it is going to maintain its bullish posture. But the Hang Seng, the DAX, the FTSE, I think we got something going here. Let's look at a couple of more markets. Okay, traders, you've seen Hong Kong, and now we are looking at Japan, the Nikkei. The Japanese Nikkei puts in a swing day on Friday, October 10th, confirmed on Monday with the same move. Thursday's move, Thursday's low. Friday swing day, Monday's low, and look at the rally that ensues. Almost the exact same low that we seen Thursday, and that would be your swing day buy signal. Now here we are, Monday night into Tuesday, and already it's starting to move higher. So it looks to me like around or across the globe, you have swing days in place, which should give us some kind of rally, but I am not falling in love with the upside here, traders. You can get a rally, but remember all the pressures that are on our markets right now. There is no magic bullet. Relief rallies will come. The bottom I do not think is in. However, what I think as a human really doesn't matter. The analysis is all that matters. I will follow the analysis. If it makes me think there's bottom in and it calls for bottom, I will repeat the words a bottom is in. Until then, do not fall in love with the upside. So now you've seen the German DAX, you've seen the FTSE from London. We looked at the Hang Seng over in Hong Kong. We looked at the Nikkei over in Japan. Now let's go take a look at our markets here in the United States, traders. All right, traders, you are looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average Daily Bar on August 16th, 2007. Look closely at this. Swing day. Thursday, low put in here. Friday breaks. Monday's low is equal to Thursday's low, and boom, you get a nice rally out of it, right? Jan 22nd, 2008, big swing day gets put in, and the market has a nice rally. July 15th, 2008, look at the swing day, traders. You got the same movement. You got the low here happening on Friday. Thursday's low is here. Monday's low is here, and look at that market take off. Now we're going to advance forward with this chart and look at what it looks like today. You are looking at from August 2007 clear across to July 2008 in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's see what it looks like today. Swing day, rallied, swing day, rallied, swing day, rallied. Okay, traders, as we move forward, you've seen this one, you've seen this one. Now we are here on October 10th, 2008. Look at the swing day that was put in. The same you've seen in the DAX, the same you've seen in the FTSE, in the Hang Seng, in the Nikkei. Here it is in the Dow Jones Industrial. You had Thursday's low, Friday break, Monday's low, and look at the huge rally which has ensued since. Now I think we can get a little higher here. I would imagine a simple trend line resistance. You connect the highs here. As you get up there, likelihood is you will stop rallying at that point. We will allow the indicators and the analysis to tell us if that becomes a sweet spot. For now, I am targeting that area. If, in fact, we even get that high, remember, traders, don't fall in love with the upside, but trade what you see, not what you think. And what I see is a massive swing day, and each swing day before it has brought a bit of a rally. Those rallies all failed. Don't forget that. They all failed, but there was a rally. Let's see if we get another one. Traders, do your own homework and tell me what you think about the world indice markets. So, you've seen the charts, traders? Wow, talk about swing days across the globe. If it's in your country, there's a swing day. There was one in my country. There was one in his and hers. There was swing days all over the place, and swing days need to be bought. Yes, we're in a bear market. Do not fall in love with the upside no matter what happens. But, again, you got to trade what you see, not what you hope for, not what you think, not what grandma thinks, not what the dog thinks when he's talking to you. You know, there are some people that the dog talks to him. Whatever it is you people are thinking, you don't think. You react to the analysis. You react to the charts. Trade what you see, not what you think. With that in mind, one thing we all know, we've all seen the bad news. There is no way a magic bullet has fixed the world. The world's economies are going to have to go through some sort of a period of adjusting and digesting all of this bad news and all these failures, and the real estate's still dropping. And traders, we have not really heard much out of commercial real estate yet. Listen, traders, banks back up commercial real estate deals by giving them X amount of millions or hundreds of thousands at a time as building continues. If banks do not have the money to continue to give to these projects, those projects are going to begin to fail. We haven't really heard too much from credit card owners yet, and you know those shoes are still going to drop. So this problem that we have had and are experiencing now is going to trickle through the economy. Don't be fooled by some upside movement. Just ride it for what it is and get ready to start selling rallies. Could be a day, could be 2 days. Hey, we may get a week out of the rally here, but I don't know about that. I will trade what I see, and I will certainly inform you when we see it. Now, traders, if you'd like to learn a lot more about technical analysis, please come on down to www.livewithoscar.com. Jump into the chat rooms, grab yourselves a free membership, and find out what this is all about. Traders, we are a school. We teach you how to get analysis right. And I'll tell you what, this is the most turbulent time I have ever seen in my life. And I've been trading longer than I haven't been trading as a human. I started trading around 18. I'm in my 40s right now, so I've been trading longer than I was alive before I traded. And I tell you what, I've never seen such movement in markets. It is fantastic movement. We're day traders, so we love this movement. As long as we see volatility, we're happy with it. Now, traders, keep it in mind, you really need to know how to gauge markets at this point in our economy. Again, I've never seen it this insane, but thank goodness I've been an analyst for so many years, 26 plus years. I have a really good gauge on what's going on out there. And if you don't believe me, come on down to the site, hop into those chat rooms and just ask the opinions of the Omniacs who hang out there. I am sure they will convince you that we have a good handle on the analysis as it unfolds in this day and age. Now, with that in mind, with all the lessons that we give out, we have a trading contest to go along with it to see what our Omniacs are learning. And I'd have to say, congratulations to our 3 latest contestant winners. G-Trader wins the contest. You go, G-Trader. Yeah, baby, nice. VMCD62, 2 weeks in a row, right, guys? Am I right? 2 weeks in a row, he comes in second place. I think he won the contest last week. Comes in second this week. And Q-Bridge, very good, lady. Keep it up. Hats off to all 3 of you. Good job, traders. Keep it up. Come join the trading contest. The trading contest is free, and we give cash prizes. G-Trader, VMCD, Q-Bridge. Let us know tomorrow where you'd like for us to send your cash prizes, and we will get them out for you. All right, traders. Make sure you keep your emotions out of trading this week. Boy, oh boy, don't chase markets. Make sure you have a plan and trade that plan. Don't deviate from it, and don't try to make decisions while these markets are whipping around the way they are. That is the worst time to make your decisions, traders. Make them at night. Make sure you have your decision. You write it down where you would get in, where you'd get out, where you'd place your stop, and act out that plan the next day. Especially in this environment, you should really heed that advice. Okay, traders, when I say never trade alone, I'll bet right now you are really glad you know me and my site, because boy, oh boy, a lot of us are huddling together every day, speaking to one another, running the analysis across one another, gathering opinions, doing the homework together, and then applying it to markets. And I'm watching a lot of my traders get better and better. So hey, up yours to you traders out there. Thank you so much. You guys know what I mean when I say that. Thank you so much for all the learning that you do. Thanks for coming to my academy every day. Now, I did notice, hey, a shout out to Europe, especially in London. Traders, fans, thank you so much. I have noticed my videos are on boards all across Europe. Thank you so much for that. I will continue to do my work and continue to help teach you through these videos. So thank you once again for posting them. Thank you so much. All right, traders, give me a call anytime, day or night, 702-629-4755. And as always, please keep those emails flying in. I do my best to get back to each and every email every night. Admittedly, last night I didn't answer you, but I did answer most of them today, and I will get to the rest of them this evening. So make sure you send me your emails, and I will shoot you back my replies. Okay, traders, again, keep your emotions out of trading. Don't forget, don't fall in love with the upside no matter what happens here. Just be careful. Don't get fooled. All right, traders, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best ways I can help you with doing that is to tell you to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.